Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll explore the interface of the Ayun GPS tracking system. So let's start. First of all, you have to the right side the map. The map can be changed from the top right corner. There is different map layer. It depends on what you prefer. So most of the people prefer hybrid imagery maps. Some people preferred to see routes only without much images. Let's get back to the Google map. To the left side, you'll have your fleet list. The vehicles will be listed here, and like for example, vehicle number will be mentioned here, and vehicle status will be mentioned here. Like for example, this one was stopped for 5 minutes, now 6 minutes. This vehicle is been moving. You can see here it's moving for 15 minutes around. And if the device offline, you can see it's mentioned here also. In your account, the offline vehicles will be in different color. On the map itself, the vehicles will be represented as an arrow, and next to the arrow, vehicle plate number and model, speed as well will be mentioned. And this is the current location or the last known location sent from the device presented on the map. On the top here, we have this bar. There is different module. We will go through them in different video. And here we have sub-menu for the left panel. There is events where you can see the last events, places where you can add markers, route, zones, and routes, history, where you can check the history of a vehicle. We will go in details for each of these modules and submenus in different videos. Thank you very much.